Today is the 6th of February and next week is the Chinese New Year. So you have all these small interesting trees with fruit everywhere across the street here that supposedly give us gift. But today I'm not going to talk about that. I'm going to go to Tai O, a small fishing village here on the Lantau Island. So let's get going there. First we got to take the ferry and then we're going to get the bus. And I have not eaten anything today, so I'm saving those calories for later. See what we can find. You can really feel that spring is coming here. It's getting warm now. The first day it's actually really warm outside. It's going to be a really nice day. Let's go down to the pier. So unfortunately the air is slightly polluted here today, but I hope it's going to be better once we get out to the fishing village. So there are actually quite a few different piers here. That's number 3 over there. I think we have to go a little bit before we get to our pier. People are out jogging here and also queuing up for some nice breakfast. And I actually tried this once, but I'm gonna save my calories and the food for later. Here we're going to Lantau Island, but I'm not going that one. I'm going to another island. I think that might actually be our boat. Let's see. No, that one is the Chang Chao. That's not our island. Let's continue. Okay, so it seems we made it. Okay, we're going this way here. Lantau Island. Let's go there. Okay, since we're lucky, 9:10. That's just 15 minutes away. Let's go. So we're going here, Muiwu. Here you can buy beer, but I'm gonna skip that for now. Let's queue up. I guess the guy is coming to let us open. Okay, time to get on board. Very noisy here. So you're not allowed to sit outside, but at least you can see the view from here. I guess it's gonna take 30 to 40 minutes. Let's go. Okay, so we just got off and arrived here in Muiwu. Let's try to find the bus here. Now that's a lot of bikes, but we are gonna take the bus. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that's the one, Tai O. Let's go there. Oh, the weather is really, really nice. Fantastic to switch the city for this bit of more rural area. Here we have some more local food stops, but I'm gonna save that for later. Just stopping here for some coffee while I'm waiting for the bus. See these Chinese lanterns everywhere for Chinese New Year. Let's get the coffee and let's move on. Really nice here next to the water. Oh, now that smells amazing. Some fresh coffee here outside in the sun. Things could definitely be worse. Let's grab this. Get some energy. Feeling alive again. Okay, now after that amazing coffee, it's time to go for the bus. And I hope that is the bus. Yes, it says Tai O. Let's get on. So we're roughly halfway now. We've been out here 30 minutes, maybe 15 more to go. Then we're gonna be there. Quite interesting. Here we have the prison down here. We have a huge dam on the other side. Okay, so we get off the bus. Now let's go explore. It's definitely another feeling than downtown Hong Kong, I can tell you that. We're out in the middle of nowhere all of a sudden. It's amazing. This is so nice. You can hear all the birds and just walking around totally without a plan. Reminds me of when I just moved to Asia and Korea like 10 years ago, just exploring. Looking forward to see what food they have here. Yeah, they have a huge Chinese New Year's sign. 恭喜发财，新年快乐. Got the water here. So relaxing. You can hear the birds in the background. Wing on Street, I think this is actually the main one. Let's see what they have. They have some specialty stuff. Here we have some squid, interesting. We got some fish balls and some squid. See what they have. A lot of local stuff you can buy here. I'm sure we're gonna find a lot of interesting stuff. Wow, we got some fresh ones here. Hello. Wow. Interesting. What is that? Yeah, hello. Wow. Wow, squid?
Yeah.
Wow, nice. I'll try later. Oh, it's cuttlefish. Okay, I gotta try. Can you try? It's 60. Okay, try. Wow. Also gonna try this super fish ball. How much? 8. Can I try one? Yeah, one. Yeah. Wow.
可以隻買一粒。
Interesting. I'm waiting for that. Let's see. Wow, nice. Better than I thought. Very hot. Wow, looking good. I'm gonna try this one, then that one. Very good. Okay, now we're gonna try these ones. Cuttlefish. I like when they're deep fried. I'm gonna try this one. Oh, that is very good. Fresh. I'm gonna take this and sit down and eat. So I think that is the guy that we just talked to. That was very nice. Let's see what's more in store to explore. Oh, I just love exploring. Seems to have a lot of interesting stuff here. Pineapple, noodles, this guy. Let's see. We have the Chinese lanterns everywhere. Nice. A lot of specialty stuff here. There's supposed to be a famous seafood restaurant here with lobster and stuff, but I don't know if it's open yet. That looks closed, that's for sure. Here we have some live fish, but we need to find somewhere to eat. Yeah, we're getting closer to the water. Nice. Now this looks pretty interesting. Walk over here. Very nice to see all the fishing stuff around here. Exploring everything. Let's find some cool restaurant here and eat. It's really nice here with the background and the mountains and the small kind of canals here. Really cool day. Here it even says welcome to Tai O. Nice, thank you. Tai O Market. Let's see what that has to offer in store. Fishing Valley gourmet food. Interesting. Some more live food here. Some crab. It doesn't look very happy. The fish. And some not so live fish anymore. We also got these bushes everywhere that I showed in the beginning. Some dried fish here. What is this? Interesting, more cuttlefish that seems to be popular. So the market is that way, and I think the old Heritage Hotel is also there. And actually I realized I have been here before some years ago, and I think I ate down that way. Let's see. Bikers everywhere. Yeah, I think actually I ate in here last time. Let's see if we can find some other place this time. Here we get some classics for sure. A lot of stuff going on here actually. People outside, bikes, a lot of noise. It's fun. Wow, I don't know what's going on here. The temple, a lot of action. Lining up for something here, I don't know what. Really local here, I really like to explore and see. No other foreigners around here. Let's go down here and see what happens. Coming out on another street here. More stuff going on. Get a cute cat here hanging around. Yeah, this is definitely different than the rest of Hong Kong, that's for sure. Okay, so here they sell a Tai O donut. It's supposed to be famous, but it's closed. I guess I gotta come back a little bit later. It's only 11:43 in the morning, so I guess most places are not open yet. Wow, that's some fancy stuff. 1,588. Yeah, it's a bit outside of my budget, but it looks nice. A lot of interesting things here. Looks very nice. Premium, but I'm gonna try. Yeah, I'm gonna go for this. Only here. Okay, so I guess it's full up there. I gotta have this table, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Fun to try some new things. Why not? Okay. Clean. That looks nice. Looks nice. Let's see what they have. They have barbecue pork, of course, but I'm gonna try something new, I think. What is popular?
Popular is here, okay. So maybe you look at the menu first.
Yeah, okay.
Just one portion for you.
Yeah. Okay, one.
This one portion first, okay?
Also need some seafood. Deep fried prawn with mango sauce. That sounds nice. Wow, that was fast. That looks great. Okay, let's try and give it a go. That is really juicy. Some sweet and sour sauce. It's very loud in the background, but I'm gonna try this with the sweet and sour sauce. It looks really nice. Wow, that was amazing. A lot of screaming in the background, but this is magic. I love this sweet and sour sauce you get. It's like honey glazed kind of. Ooh, thank you. So now it seems we got some weird mango sauce. I guess this is not the original flavor, I would assume, but let's try it anyway. Looks interesting. Very interesting. The duck is definitely more authentic, that is for sure, but still nice to try some different things. That is some dripping goodness. A lot of action in the background. Mango twist. Also got some tea here. Nice. Let's have a bit more of that duck. Crispy stuff. Interesting. Got the bones inside here. Interesting stuff. I'm gonna finish this meal and then I'm gonna continue to see what more I can find. Ooh, that was definitely a lot of food, but nice. Let's see what's up next. Heard that these egg tarts are popular, so let's see if you can try that out. That looks interesting. Very nice here. I guess it opens at 12:30. I guess I'll just hang around here and wait then while he's preparing everything. Smells nice. Advanced. Looks really nice. Such a fire burning in there. Really nice, really hot. Very professional. Getting very popular here now. It's a big line. Wow, that looks really nice. Thank you. Wow, this looks really nice. Let's try it. Let's have a bite. Actually juicy. That was worth waiting for. Definitely something a bit different. Almost kind of like a pancake waffle. Egg and I guess butter and milk maybe. Nice, let's continue exploring. Here is very local, that's for sure. Quite different vibe, just walking a few blocks away. People just sitting outside, relaxing. Very nice day. Normally you can take the boat down here, but I think now it's not tourists around. Just walking around this quiet neighborhood here, exploring a bit, see if we can find something even more local. This is for sure extremely local. I think this actually goes to a hike up over the mountain, but I guess we're not gonna go up there. Get the birds here. We can go all the way here. Oh, interesting. What is this? Salt workers' quarters. Interesting. Maybe you can buy salt here. So peaceful here, apart from the kids running around, but otherwise very, very nice. Yeah, this is for sure quite different than just 30 minutes away by boat. That is clear. Hello, little kitty. Flowers, nice. Really pretty and peaceful here. It's nice to change the scenery a bit. This looks good. Let's try. Pork. Very nice. That's fresh. Okay, grab 100. Good price. That's a good deal. 100. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Nice. Let's eat this. Really pretty here. Let's see if we can sit down and eat the snacks and maybe grab a coffee. This place, husband, is supposed to be famous as well. I just gotta queue up and try it. It looks interesting. Let's try that one. That looks good. Very popular spot, that's for sure. Now it's our time here. Oh, thank you. Looks interesting, some sort of seafood snack. Let's try it. It's very refreshing actually. Inside, almost like a kebab. Yeah, recommend it for sure. Definitely give it a try if you come here. Nice. Let's move on. Sea View Cafe. Let's see if they have some spots here for coffee. A lot of cool stuff here. You have spots? Sea View?
Yes.
You have a spot outside?
How many people you want?
One?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have one spot. Okay, great. Thank you. Oh.
There is one table on side. There's a 4 people who has already reserved.
Okay, thank you. Oh, got a really cool spot there actually. Next to the water. Let's see the ladders here. Really nice view. Nice with some coffee. Ice drip. Reading Arnold Schwarzenegger. Total Recall from some inspiration. Really nice. That was nice. That was really nice, but now it's time to walk to the Heritage Hotel. Check it out. Some really nice places here. Just check out crepes, 25. Let's try that. Can I have one creme brulee? So many local interesting entrepreneurs here. Let's support them. Let's get it nice. Ooh, that looks nice. Interesting stuff going on. Oh, that is looking nice. Yummy. Nice. Oh, that is looking nice. Let's try it out. Strawberries inside. Very good. Nice, you have the strawberry here. Crispy. It's looking good. That was definitely an unexpected surprise. Nice. Trip is getting better and better. Okay, I'm gonna finish this off, then I'm gonna continue walking. See you there. Now we're gonna continue walking out to the old police station, now called the Tai O Heritage Hotel. A lot of birds in the background. Nice. It's really nice and peaceful walking out here. Flowers. Really nice to be out here next to the water. You can see on the boats in the background here. It's a really cool location here. We see the boats in the background. Then you have the whole hotel up here. Let's go and check it out. Definitely got some really nice views coming up here, that's for sure. Wow. Now that's something you don't see every day in Hong Kong. Really peaceful. You can see the boats coming in and going out here. Let's see what's inside. So there's a restaurant and also kind of like a lookout area here, I think. Looks nice, very popular. I guess that is a bit too long line for me, so I'm gonna skip that and go and check out the view downstairs instead.
Which one you prefer?
Cold tea? This is green tea.
Yeah.
Okay, can I have green tea? It's 23.
One green tea?
One bottle.
Okay, one green tea.
It's 22, okay?
23?
Yep. Looks very nice, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Wow, this one looks really nice. Let's try this one. I'm really thirsty. Ooh, that was refreshing. Nice. Let's move on. It's pretty cool. You can hear the planes taking off in the background. Not that many these days, but still, it's quite different than all the boats and the calmness going on here. So I'm gonna head back now, but if you liked it, please give me a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.